5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, touch, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we're going to go like on an 8 diagonally right. We're going to step together. Then we're going to pump our heels twice. Up, up. Then we're going to go left, step together, heels twice. Then we're going to go back with the K. Step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, and turn with the touch. And that's the whole dance, okay? Do it all. 1, 2, 3, touch, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we start the side together, side. All right? Very simple. Dance is called Completely. Very little song, cute little one. Anyway, hope everybody is well and take care. Peace out.